Hello guys, so I'm Sophia and I'm gonna show you how to, if you actually struggle with manual auditing or public repository or smart contract. So actually I built this autonomous agent which can handle this for you. So uh, it's actually built on the top of OB protocol. So if we talk about, it's actually really simple, which can discover tools available uh, through the Explorer by supplying the agent PDA. So then achieving the tools and other details. So it's if we talk about the backend, it is also autonomous, which execute the fetching, if I can say, and the auditing tasks. So it depends on the supplied config. Here's the diagram of how or the internals. So basically, it's verify if the caller actually made a payment. The local server type-based because no SDK available in Python. So it's fetch on chain, and if there are payments authorized to make a call, the settle a call on chain, of course. Here, the internally the task which it can be fetch or list. So gets report, for example, or uh, yes, statistic about the existing reports. So and return, 200 status report which is success or okay, or if anything else for 102 payments required. So this is how payments are handled. So starting by creating a scope, then on chain, of course, we get the transaction hash. After and the execution agent, which is the backend, verify payments on chain. After verifying, set payments, then executes the request or task, if you can say. Then return the response. So this is the life cycle of how payments is handled. So it started with header embedded within the requests, then ends in successful call. So I'm already, in fact, this editor is already, uh, I mean, running. So just wanted to see uh, live live transactions, and we can check also in the relevant explorer. So I'm gonna to launch the server. I mean the color server in my VS Code, Visual Code, I mean, my environment, by the way. So then we'll check or verify on-chain using the source card. Also use the Synapse Explorer. Unfortunately, the OBS could not record my visual code, so I'm executing it by the way. Use the interface. Let's check refresh via, I mean, explore if we see so. It's already running, so there is transactions recorded. Just recently, you see that there was 27 seconds ago. Also, there are set calls, which means that the payment's already did and verified. So we expect that the transaction, I mean the already executed. So let's verify. Uh, I mean, I want to my browser to see the 200 okay static code. So as it already executed, we can also refresh receipts, open receipts. So this is the receipts. So already executed. So we have one report, by the way, which is one password. Sure what it is exactly. You can also reports refresh the explorer. Also executed. So we have two calls of tools. So auditor gets reports, which is you see here, which is ready. So this is how actually it's working. Also verify how where is exactly the here we have the calls and our agent which is auditor at this moment. So we have 12 calls. That's what I'd like to mention in this video. So the report already ready to be so that's this how it is actually working. Thanks for watching and see you again.